So the question becomes, Jack, what do you know about Frank's death?
Last time I saw Frank, he was on the phone. Something about a problem with a really big demo for our investor conference.
Fix the problem now, Frank, or you'll be dead.
When I got back from break, he was dead. I should have seen this coming.
Hindsight, Jack, is always 1080p.
There were problems. Big problems all the time.
Jack, there are always problems in life. The bandwidth is always greener on the other side of the firewall.
No. I mean, problems that might have something to do with Frank's death. Like yesterday, we were monitoring the environment. We knew we had a problem with the virtual desktops because there'd been a couple of complaints. But we checked our storage element manager and the server system and VM management tool. We couldn't figure out what was wrong. We even checked Operations Center, but it just looked like normal disk I/O. Everything looked fine. Maybe it wasn't.
Well then, Jack, I say jackpot. Let's get this data to the OCI lab.
Okay guys, I figured out where things went wrong. Take a look at this VM's in trouble panel. Your little management VM is having some memory problems.
What's this graph?
That's the drill down to the paging.
I thought a little paging was okay.
Yeah, but this one's paging at 149 pages per second. That's excessive and it's causing a lot of problems. First, it's dramatically slowing down the performance of the management VM.
So users of this critical VM, like our CEO with this investor demo, are going to get really lousy response time.
Absolutely. Plus, you might get application timeouts and disconnects.
Eric, call ballistics. Andy, monitor Frank's emails. Lisa, get this to the lab.
We're in the lab. Your second problem is more subtle. Since the guest is paging using his own virtual memory subsystem, if you're looking from outside the guest, this just looks like normal disk I/O. It's a really significant performance problem, but it's invisible to any performance monitoring tool that's not getting its stats from the guests.
Exactly. That's why Frank and I thought everything looked normal.
You just couldn't see it with your tools. Actually, on-command insight balance is the only tool that can do this. Here, take a look at this. The extra paging I/O was being passed all the way down to the storage system where it was competing with other reads and writes from other VMs trying to get real work done. There's no guest ballooning taking place because there's plenty of memory on the host. Unfortunately, your user's critical VM was terribly under-provisioned for the job it was being tasked to do.
This would have taken us days to figure out. Everyone thought these desktops were configured exactly the same way.
With on-command insight balance, you can fix problems in minutes.
Horatio, this email just landed in Frank's mailbox. It's dated from 5 hours ago. The application slowdown must have delayed it. It's from Jacqueline the Ripper.
It's from our killer. Now the crime evidence is finally making sense. The empty prescription pill bottle, the broken necklace, the chloroform, the bleach.
Jacqueline the Ripper? She's a lunatic. I have to go reconfigure the VM before she kills again.
A fool, and her passwords are soon parted.
Where are you going?
I'm going, Veronica, to catch our killer.
That guy is 10 bits short of a byte.
Tell me about it.
Jackie, murder is a terrible crime, and now you'll pay. But the real crime was not using on-command insight balance.